If you've ever crossed your mind that, gosh, I wish I could do that for a living, you can. You can. And this machine is going to help you get there. My name is Linda Larson and I'm the Chief Glitter Officer at A Dash of Adorable. But I'm not here to talk about myself today. I'm here to talk about one of my favorite machines in the whole wide world, the Glowforge. It literally is the creme de la creme, the top of the class. When I first started to use my Glowforge, I was doing events for corporate employees on site, and I would show up and do large event decor on site. And all the detailing, all the acrylic work, and all the woodwork and everything was all done on the Glowforge. And the best part is that I would have these clients, right? They want to be completely unique. They'd call me and they'd say, Linda, how outside the box can you go? And I'm like, oh, I can do anything when I've got my Glowforge. You just tell me what you want. I'll design it in Photoshop and I'll give it a whirl. And so that was the fun part, was that literally the sky was a possibility. And then the pandemic hit. So imagine me being in live in-person events. Every single one of my clients canceled their events. A couple months into the pandemic, my Glowforge saved me. My Glowforge is what carried me through the pandemic. My very first event that I did virtually with employees was the COVID Courage Craft. And that is what I do every single day now, is I design these wood crafts, I ship them out, and it's through a virtual craft session. And I would have never, ever been able to accomplish that without my Glowforge. This is like the best machine ever. This is my Glowforge that I call Thor. This machine, seriously, the best investment I could have ever done for my business. When I bought the Glowforge, it wasn't just buying a product. I felt like I was brought into a family. I am a maker. You're a maker. It means you're BFFs, right? And that's how it is with this Glowforge community. Everyone is a BFF. And every day I get to create something with my hands. That's where I find true joy. And I want every other maker who's ever questioning whether or not they should do that, you should. I love this machine, and I'm just telling you, if you get it, it will change your future.